What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips plus a bonus one on how you can improve your battery life on your Pixel 7 Pro. Now, of course, you could turn on like battery saver mode and get crazy battery life, but at that point, it really downgrades the quality of using the phone in a lot of ways. Some of the things I'm going to show you might also turn some features off or slow down some of those features, but still, you shouldn't go as far or as back in time if you use battery saver mode. So let's go through these 5 tips plus a bonus one right now. So the first thing you want to do is go into your settings, swipe down from the top, click the gear at the bottom, go down and click on display and brightness level. So the lower you lower your brightness, the better your battery life is going to be. It's not going to have to produce such a bright image. Display on your phone is probably going to eat up the most battery life of anything on your phone for the most part. So definitely turn that down as low as you can handle. And then also probably turn off adaptive brightness, because if you go outside, it's going to get really bright and consume more battery life. So again, set it to what you're really comfortable with and manually go in here and change it if need be. But whatever you can handle at the lowest brightness level is going to help you in the long run. While still under display settings, next you want to go into lock screen. Tap on that and you want to go towards the bottom where it says always show time and info. If you have it on, turn it off. Basically, when you turn your screen off and you see the date and time on there, when the screen's off, that the lock screen, that will be off. So your screen will be off, but then when you press the power button, it'll go right back on. So you don't consume as much battery life on there. That helps massively. So turn it off if you want to get better battery life. Go back a step so you're back on display settings and go down. You're going to see dark theme. Turn this on. When you turn that on, it turns your screen a dark mode. Basically, all your backgrounds and things like that will be black. It's easier on your eyes for one, but then the other part of it is OLED displays work a lot better with a black background. So it helps out massively with battery life. So definitely turn that on as well. Still under display settings, go down until you see smooth display. If you turn that off, your screen won't be as smooth, meaning like the scrolling and everything when you use it, which to you might not be a big deal. And if it isn't, then turn it off. It's going to help with not having to perform as hard on the phone, meaning you'll get, again, better battery life. Screen resolution is the next one. Tap on that. Change it to high resolution 1080p full HD plus. By doing that, it's not having to produce as high a quality of image on the display here. It still is going to look really good. You might not even notice a difference at all. And by default, it is set to that, but you might have gone in there and changed it. So if you have changed it, you might want to set it back and get better battery life, because again, it doesn't have to work as hard. The last one, the bonus one, is go into settings and then go into where it says network and internet, tap on internet, and then tap on where it has your internet on there, like your mobile internet. Hit the gear next to it. And then from here, you might not see it for everybody. I know AT&T doesn't allow you to do this. T-Mobile does. Some of the other carriers might as well, depending upon where you live. You might see preferred network type. Tap on that. Choose LTE. If it's set to 5G, then it's going to always use 5G. 5G eats up a lot of battery life. If you switch it to LTE, now you might get slower speeds, but you might not. 5G, even though it's prevalent, hasn't been a huge difference versus LTE in terms of speeds. So maybe you want to use LTE. You'll get just as good speeds when you're online, but then you'll also save a lot of battery life. So there you guys go. That is a bunch of tips on how to improve battery life on your Pixel 7 Pro. If I missed something, let us know in the comments down below. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.